Up, your girl back with another video. Outre Perfect Hairline Collection, 13 by 6. I got her from Amazon. Believe it or not, 40 bucks. Cinnamon red. I did customize her before I got on camera. Went ahead, washed, conditioned, and twisted her. 13 by 6 lace. I did customize the lace by putting makeup. It does have an elastic band. And again, I twisted and conditioned before I got on camera. It does have 3 combs. I did remove the 2, kept the 1, and you can see the lace is a little ashy. I'm gonna go ahead and use my EBIN adhesive spray to install my cap. Now I spray on my ears so that the cap won't run as much. And so that's just what I'm doing here, cutting the cap off my ears and installing it with my spray, going through drying, making sure that my cap is on and installed. Now I'm gonna cut my lace in 4. And the reason I did this is because the lace was a little hard, even with washing, conditioning, and using Downy. It just was a little difficult to work with. So I'd suggest cutting it in 4s. That way you can work with each section at a time and take your time. So see how difficult it was to cut. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go through with my EBIN adhesive spray and make sure that them edges is on there, y'all. And believe me, it took me a minute. That's why I'm being very gentle, because it was coming up regardless. Lace was sturdy. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to cut that ear off because it is a true 13 from left to right. So it was a little long for me, but I don't mind that either because I like it a little bit longer anyways. And so I just cut that off. It was giving me difficulty on the side. But as you can see, I was using my EBIN spray, working it, girl, working it. Going through them edges, doing my EBIN spray, using hot heat right there because, like I said, it was giving me a little trouble. Now I'm using the adhesive glue here. This is a different product, y'all. I switched it up because it was giving me issues. It was not sticking. So I was like, I got something for that. And best believe it worked. Going through with my EBIN spray, making sure that my edges looking real natural. Making sure that it's melted on there. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and kick it to the other side. Cutting it off. It was a little difficult, but I got it. Getting those loose ends there. Making sure that it looks real natural. Now on this side, I'm gonna use the adhesive glue to install, not just the spray. Because this gives a nice hold. Make sure that it is clear when you put it on. And if you're going to do multiple layers, make sure it's clear before you add another layer. You do not want it to turn white. Do not install it before it's clear, or else it will dry, clear, shiny. And then you'll have to figure out how to get your hairline not to be shiny. You don't want that. Going through with my EBIN spray and my rat tail comb, making sure my edges look great. Believe me, no install is ever perfect. I switch it up every time according to the wig. So just know your wigs, honey. Here go that adhesive glue I was talking about. I'll go ahead and list it in the description box too. You see them sides? They was giving me some problems. They was trying to anyway. I had to go ahead and do the boop boop. Knock it out real quick. Again, I would say this is not a beginner-friendly wig because it did also have really big knots in the front of the lace that I had to pluck before I installed. So it does require like knowing synthetic wigs a little bit and knowing what your look is that you're looking for in order for you to achieve the best look with this wig anyway. And so I'm just continually going through, making sure my edges are on there. I want the joint stuck. You know, if it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Yay. Okay, let me stop. Now, see? Yes. Looking natural. Giving me natural looking lace. I love it. Go ahead and tie it down with my tie-down scarf, my lace scarf that I use every time, trusty dusty, because it gets as tight as I need it to. And now I'm going to go ahead and undo those twists, honey, and get to styling her. Yes, very pretty. I made sure before I got on camera and I styled and twisted her, I made sure to use a non-alcoholic cream for curly hair. Conditioner and water is what I'm using in my spray bottle. And it's giving. It's giving. Yes. Very minimal shedding. That's what I love about this wig. Even though it's curly, it has very minimal shedding. Look at that. Oh, beautiful curls. Oh, this I think is one of my favorite installs, y'all. Amazon blew my mind. They restored my faith in buying wigs from Amazon. Yes, this is so popping. Like, ooh, I am loving them curls. So, like I said, I'm just going through styling, making sure my ends are very wet. I like the wet look, so I'm making sure it is very wet, as you can see. Yes, and this is what it looked like once I got dressed. Feeling myself, ooh, popping. And it is so cute. So cute. Yes, giving. Y'all, if you like this hair, if you got any questions, hit me in the comments. Subscribe, y'all. I love you. Bye.